Chicken, 4-5 black pepper, 5 cloves, nutmeg, whole mace, cinnamon, cumin, curry leaf, pulao masala, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, paprika, red chili flakes, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, green chilies, lemon, in a potted oil, then add whole spices and fry them. I added desi ghee but it's optional, then add ginger garlic paste. Add chicken and fry it until golden brown. Now add tomatoes. Saute tomatoes, then add spices. Add pulao masala. Mix everything together. Add fried onion. Now add yogurt. Add green chilies and lemon. Add rice. Add water. Once it starts boiling, cover it for 30 minutes.
Meanwhile, one eternity later.
And your delicious chicken pulao is ready. Don't forget to share your reviews, subscribe for more recipes.